So let's go ahead and guys and get in it a little bit. Oh, it's nice. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pedro. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to start a little bit different. We are on board a 2022 Ford Mustang GT Premium. And as you can see, guys, we're inside this awesome Mustang. Let's go ahead, guys, and get this engine going. Oof, that sounds so nice. Of course, we're on board the GT Mustang with the 5-liter, 450 horsepower, normally aspirated V8 Coyote engine, which is fantastic. So as I said, we got the pony, we got our 8-inch screen powering up and everything else. Really awesome interior. And it's, of course, it's an older interior, but it still works. It still feels good, and it's inside this Mustang smells fantastic. So yes, we're low on gas and we got our door ajar. Let's go ahead and put on our seatbelts, and we're gonna go out for a little quick ride in this Race Red. As you can see, guys, we got a red hood. This is a Race Red colored Mustang with the black appearance package, or the black accent package, but we'll see it in just a few moments once we get to a little bit to drive. And let's go out ahead, guys, and get this going. So we're gonna put our 10-speed transmission. This is a 10-speed automatic transmission car. Fortunately, it's not a 6-speed, but it's basically the first time I'm gonna get to drive a regular Ford Mustang GT. I have driven the Mach 1s in auto and in manual, and I have got to also drive the EcoBoost Mustangs as well. But this is the first time we're here behind the wheel of a regular Mustang Coupe GT, or it's a regular GT Mustang. So let's go ahead, guys, and head out. And as you can see, guys, this Mustang does have the enhanced exhaust. That's an option. Sounds awesome, and we'll get to hear it in just a little bit. So really nice. Get some AC going, guys, because it is quite hot today here in Central Florida, where it's our temperature. It's just 76 outside, but that is wrong. It's not 76. We're like closer to 100 degrees. Love the way this feels. This Mustang feels so good. I mean, they've improved them so much. Got nobody coming here. Now, guys, as you can see, we don't have a ton of gas. We're about 18 miles to empty, but we're gonna take a quick drive and get to experience this Mustang GT Premium package, which is really nice. I mean, it's very comfortable. We got some black leather seats in this one. Of course, we get an 8-inch screen here. This does not have the 12-inch digital display as you can get as an option, but overall, we're here to give a little bit of a drive. Obviously, this car's only got 18 miles on it, so it's brand new. I'm not gonna floor it, but we're gonna get to experience a little bit of this Mustang. Oh man, that sounds so nice. Such smooth transmission, very smooth power plant. Yeah, this is just fantastic the way this feels. Obviously, the handling it's pretty light. I mean, it feels good. This doesn't have any type of handling, nothing. It's just basically your base Mustang coupe, or your base GT Mustang, which feels fantastic. Obviously, a lot of people you get excited by this Mustang, but you know, it's really nice. And you know, I want to thank Bartow Ford for allowing me some time in this Mustang, and you get a bit of time to go around and drive something so unique like this. I mean, it's nice. It's a V8 Mustang, which, you know, I absolutely love V8s. And, you know, they're not easy to, you know, I'm sure we're gonna, you know, start losing V8s and all this wonderful gas-powered cars, because obviously, you know, the electric stuff's coming. So for 2023, I believe the Mustang will come with, you know, hybrid power or something like that, where, you know, hopefully Ford will still offer a regular, just a V8 like this, which is a fantastic car nonetheless. Even though it's automatic, not your Mach 1 or not the GT 500 or no performance edition, it still is super nice to hear that V8 rumble. It's just fantastic, to be honest. So let's go ahead, I guess, and just drop in here a little bit. And yeah, it's just, I mean, it's a very agile car. It feels light on its feet. Of course, you're sitting lower because this is a sports car. But it's still a really, really nice Mustang coupe for sure. All right, let's go ahead, guys. And we're going to take a quick reverse here. Check out the reverse camera. So we got here our reverse camera. I see we got some sensors in the rear. We got a little Mustang here, a little car. It's not a Mustang per se, but it is some reverse sensors. You can see here we do have trajectory lines, and the screen graphics are really nice as well. So as you can see, guys, when we start backing it up into a little bit of curve here, we got the sensors going, as you can see there as well. So yeah, so here we go, guys. Inside of this Mustang's interior, of course, here you got some track modes as well. We got traction control off, traction control on. We do have a standard steering feel. We got normal. We do have sport. We have comfort. And we go back. We also got some driving modes as well. So you got basically normal mode. We have sport plus. We have track. And track, you see manual, of course. And then one more. We have drag strip, if you want to take to the drag, and we have snow and wet in case you get into those slippery conditions. So we're going to put in regular sports. It's going to do just a little bit more driving. We don't have a ton of gas, but I really love the way it is. The leather steering wheel feels fantastic, and overall a really nice cockpit still, even though it's older. You know, it is what it is. Obviously, we got a new Mustang coming. I'm sure they're going to redesign the whole interior. For the moment, we do have some pedals here as well if you want to shift this 10-speed automatic in manual. Of course, you got everything here at your fingertips. We got, of course, Ford Copilot 360 in this Mustang as well. We got all kinds of controls here for your center screen, cruise control, lights. Of course, we got it is a manually adjustable tilting and telescoping steering wheel. AC is blowing really nice. We got there's no navigation on this Mustang, as you can see. We have a dual climate zone. Here we got your glove box, if I can get that open. Yeah, it's got a little sticker there. I don't want to open up, but you can see got really nice copy black leather, as you can see on this one. And this one is equipped with a Bang & Olufsen 9-speaker stereo system as well. So we got your 10-speed automatic and a cup holders, and that's about it, guys. A little bit of storage space here for things, more USB connections, a 12-volt. Then we have a couple of USB connections here also with a 12-volt connection there. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead, and I'm going to take the here with me here. Let's go ahead, guys, and take a quick look and shut the engine down. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Mustang from the outside. So as you can see, guys, we got some nice chrome here with the leather, with the black leather, really nice. I still smell that Mustang. That is just smells so good. Let's go ahead, guys, and head out to the car. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we have this 2022 Ford Mustang GT Premium. Really nice. I love it. Obviously, our Mustang in red looks fantastic. Really fantastic looking color. This is, of course, combined with the black leather. That's what you show inside. Now, this one here having the black accent package, which is about a $2,000 accent package. You have coming up here the front, guys. We do have the black grilled that has blacked out. This is part of that black appearance package. You see the ponytail, everything's all done in black. We got a lower splitter here. That's really nice. Of course, you get that red color all around. It's really nice. Of course, we got LED lights here for your nighttime lights, and we have some LED daytime running lights as well. So coming here, guys, this is part of the package as well. You get the 19-inch wheels. These are all gloss black wheels. These are wrapped around 255 millimeter Pirelli P0 Nero tires all around. It's the same tire all around, front and back. Of course, you get a blacked out 5.0 badge, blacked out mirror caps as well, and we also have a black basically roof here on the top. That's part of the same package here as well, same with the black appearance package. So you can see we got a little shark fin there, really awesome. And coming here to the back, guys, you do have your black little lip spoiler here as well. That's part of that package as well. And it also blacks out your GT and all this in the back here as well. So here we got to take a look at that exhaust here. Really nice. We got a backup light there. Really nice exhaust. Now this one does have this equipped with the performance exhaust. We'll look at the sticker in just a few moments, but overall really nice. Even though it's a more simple Mustang coupe, it is a really nice looking one as well, and especially in this race red color overall. Let's go ahead and guys and pop the hood. All right guys, so popping the hood, we have no hydraulic assist, so we have to grab our little stick here and get that rod put in there as indicated. As you can see there, we get that little arrow there. So here we go guys, 5.0 liter Coyote engine. This is producing 450 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque, of course heading to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission. But overall fantastic engine guys, lots of power, lots of torque, sounds fantastic as well. So but this is your basic power plant for this Mustang GT coupe guys. So let's go ahead and print the hood down as well, put the hard rod back in its place and drop the hood. All right, so here we have our key with us here. As you can see, we do have a remote start as well, but let's go ahead and pop the trunk real quick just to take a quick look at this exterior. Of course, we got a reverse camera. Pretty good size trunk there. I'll put what the size of this trunk is guys there in cubic feet up in the screen for you, but overall really nice. Of course, you can see we got a subwoofer here, part of that nine speaker stereo, Bang & Olufsen, and we do have a space saving spare tire there in the back as well. So it's not that bad for an overall coupe as well. Obviously, you got more room than a Camaro, but it's still got a pretty decent trunk, and I love that little rear spoiler. Looks fantastic. So, all right, let's go ahead, guys, back in and get back into the driver's seat. All right, so we're already inside again of this Mustang GT cockpit. Let's go ahead, guys, and start the engine. Start the engine back up, and hear that fantastic V8. So there we go, guys. We get the pony back again here. Yes, we're a little bit, of course, we get low on gas, get some AC going. Let's lower it up a little bit of our AC. All right, so let's go ahead and continue our bit of a test drive. Let's go ahead and take a quick hear of that V8. Oof. Oh, that Coyote V8 sounds so nice. Let's go ahead and guys and close the door. Seatbelts on, and let's go ahead, guys, and head back and do a little more test drive. So just making sure let's go ahead and just put it on Sport Plus here, just to give it a little more sporting drive, because that's the type of channel we are. So guys, hope you guys just been enjoying this quick review of this 2022 Mustang GT Premium Coupe. We'll take a look at the sticker guys when we head back. Let's go ahead guys and put our 10-speed back on drive. Now of course you got your in-stop, you got all the different things. So this is gonna have the 12-inch digital display, which I kind of really like, but this is still feels fantastic, to be honest, with this Mustang. So as we don't have a ton of gas, let's just go ahead guys and head back and just do a little bit of performance driving. Let's go ahead and give us a quick U-turn here, and nice turning radius for sure. This is not a small car by any means, but this still feels really good, and that V8 is just so intoxicating, the V8 sound. Really nice. So you guys can see this one's got 19 miles on it, so it's a brand new car. We can't, if you said this is a car that Bartow Ford had let me borrow, big thank you to them for allowing me to borrow this Mustang GT for a few moments. But it does feel fantastic, and this, of course, the red looks great on this car. Really good fan. I would love to have a chance to own a Mach 1 with the handling package. That will be my choice, but yes, this V8 is just nice. Oof, it sounds so good, this V8 sound. Hope you guys are hearing that through the microphone. So as you can see guys, we do have some traffic here, and but the 10-speed is really nice. Obviously you can feel it shift a little more abrupt in Sport Plus mode. Of course you got all kinds of modes that you can do, but really nice, really nice what this car feels like. Let's go ahead and check out. Nice sounding Bang & Olufsen system that this has. It's got a 9-speaker, if I didn't mention that for you guys didn't hear me before, but 9-speaker Bang & Olufsen system that this Mustang GT Premium has. But wow, this feels really nice. Yeah, the steering feels, is tight, and it feels nice, and it's got some nice feeling to it. Let's go ahead, guys. Nobody coming. So let's go ahead and guys and get in it a little bit. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's just effortless power, fantastic feeling V8, lots of torque. Really nice that this Mustang, just the way it goes. Now handling is not bad. Obviously, it's got pretty decent handling. I mean, you can feel the back end a little bit sliding. but it's not, you know, it's not horrible by any means. I mean, it's obviously Mustang Mach 1 and everything's on a different level, but this Mustang handles very nice, very nice, considering what this is just a base GT Mustang. So, but hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of this Mustang GT Coupe. Obviously, this has got the black appearance package, or the back, you know, so it's really nice. I'll put all the information, guys, up on the screen for you. And but I hope you guys have been enjoying this, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. I appreciate every one of you here with me here. And but really awesome Mustang GT. Let's go ahead, guys, and big shout out to Bartow Ford, guys, for allowing me some time. As I mentioned, I don't work with them. They just you know, allow me some time with this car to bring you these reviews and look at these awesome cars. But yeah, Mustang is still, you know, my favorite. The 6-speed, the Mach 1 is my favorite, but this is just feels fantastic. Awesome car. And there we go, guys. Really cool, fantastic in this Race Red. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that sticker real quick. Let's go ahead and shut this off. All right, here, guys, let's take a look at the sticker here for you. We get a 2022 Mustang GT Coupe Premium. Of course, 5-liter 10-speed automatic, Race Red with ebony leather. Now this one's starting at about 48. This one completely is 49,885. As you can see here, the options, you can pause, 10-speed automatic. We got that black accent package, which is just under $200. Security package, $500. Active valve performance exhaust, which is what we heard, $1,200, a little over $200. And the spare tire is $415. So for a grand total of just under $50,000 for this Race Red Mustang GT. All right, so we're back here in the Mustang, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here with me on the channel. Thank you for everybody for subscribing. All that subscribe, guys. Subscribe if you haven't done it, guys. We're gonna bring you some more content, and we're getting better every time. I appreciate every one of you guys here. So, guys, here signing off from this Mustang GT Premium Package 2022 model in this fantastic Race Red. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.